What exactly is vector database? If traditional database answer what matches, vector database answer what feels similar. And this is exactly how AI understands the world. Logic for traditional database is keyword matching, whereas vector database is similarity search. As AI seems rapidly evolving, especially with the rise of LLM, and with the same way store and search data is changing. As you know, traditional database store data in rows and columns. But what about modern AI? It actually thinks in vectors. Vector is just a list of numbers, but these numbers aren't just random put. They represent meaning. To clarify, in maths or physics terms, it is magnitude plus direction. But in machine learning, it is representation of data. Can be text, image, audio, or video. It is like coordinates in space where similar things are close together. Vectorization then converts real-world data into numbers by this way. Text will be converted into embeddings, images into feature vectors, audio into numerical pattern or audio feature vectors. These vectors live in a high-dimensional space where relationships become measurable. Now the main thing, vector database. Vector database stores data as vector instead of tables. Instead of asking find exact match, you ask find similar items instead. This is helpful as AI works on context and similarity and not the exact values. Must have heard on KNN or K nearest neighbor and ANN or approximate nearest neighbor. These are the search methods used in vector database to quickly identify similar vectors within high-dimensional vector data. KNN finds the closest vectors using distance metrics such as cosine similarity, Euclidean distance, and dot product. ANN speeds things up by trading a bit of accuracy for massive performance gains, essential when dealing with millions of vectors. Imagine you just watched a movie like Dhurandhar, which was intense, action-packed, layered characters, and strong storyline. Now you go to a platform and ask, recommend me movies like Dhurandhar. In traditional database, query try to match conditions like same genre is equal to action, same actor, and the same director. Vector database think instead of labels, the system convert the movie into a vector. Embeddings. Like action will be 0.9, emotion will be 0.7, suspense, drama, intensity, likewise. Now every movie becomes a point in multi-dimensional space. Movies with similar feel are generally placed close together. When you hit search for recommend me movies like Dhurandhar, actually the query is converted into a vector, then the system performs nearest neighbor search using KNN or ANN and find movies that are closest in meaning, not exact match. This is context-aware search basically. To summarize, data will be converted into embedding vectors, stored in vector database like ChromaDB, Pinecone, Amazon Aurora, PostgreSQL, MongoDB Atlas Vector is another example. And then the search will be powered by cosine similarity or ANN for speed.